Hallo, guten Morgen. Seid ihr bereit für ein bisschen Morgensport, mentalen? Are you ready for mental morning sports? This is a basic topic I will talk about today. The adjectives, adjective, how to describe person, things, your words. How to describe? I will introduce you to the first important adjectives for basic level, and the technique I will use today, because you already know me, I want you to watch the video, to train, to learn with the video, and to be able to use the vocabulary after that. So this exercise is, I will give you the adjective alt and immediately the opposite. And I won't give you the meaning. So you just focus on the German word, on the sound, so you will not get distracted by the meaning, because sometimes it's better first to learn the words, to feel the words, the sound of the words, and then you get the meaning. So I will say alt, jung. And you know this is a pair, and you just have to remember always the second part. What does it mean? As I told you, does not matter. You can download then these words as a flip card system and with all the meaning. But it's important to learn these words, because these will be round about 30 words with the opposite, so you will learn round about 50-60 adjectives now, just the words, and after the meaning. This is easy. Okay, so let's start. Alt, jung, groß, klein, schnell, langsam, heiß, kalt. Okay, I will repeat these four. Alt, jung, groß, klein. Alt, groß, schnell, langsam, heiß, kalt, schnell, heiß, alt, groß, schnell, heiß. The next one, the next round. Gut, schlecht. Hell, dunkel. Weiß, schwarz. Offen, geschlossen. Offen, geschlossen. Weiß, schwarz. Offen, weiß, hell, dunkel, gut, schlecht, hell, gut, gut, hell, weiß, offen. Okay. Schwer. Leicht. Schwierig. Einfach. Teuer. Billig. Nass. Trocken. Nass, trocken, teuer, billig, nass, teuer. schwierig. Ha, einfach, einfach. Schwer, leicht, schwierig. Schwer. Nass, teuer, schwierig, schwer. Nächste Runde. Kurz, lang, viel, wenig, rund, eckig, dick, dünn, dick, dünn, rundeckig, dick, rund, viel, wenig, kurz, lang, viel, kurz, kurz, viel, rund, dick. Okay, let's have a look. I will give you now jung, the opposites. I will give you now jung and I will give you gut. And you have to know if jung and gut is the right pair, if gut is the opposite of jung. And you just say loudly in front of your desktop, falsch, which is wrong, or richtig. Okay, let's start. Klein, groß. Kalt, alt. Schwarz, schwierig. Einfach, schwierig. Dünn, alt. Dünn, viel. Wenig, viel. Billig, teuer. Okay, I will introduce next round of adjectives with the opposite. Just listen, focus on the sound of my movement, and we're gonna start. Dumm. Kluck. Dumm. Kluck. Gefährlich. Ungefährlich. Möglich. Unmöglich. Wichtig. Unwichtig. Wichtig. Unwichtig. So this maybe you can maybe you see it's like in English possible, impossible. Huh? So is the opposite of a lot of words. If you have gefährlich, möglich, wichtig. Okay, what was the opposite of dumm? Okay, let's continue. Laut, leise. Sauber. Schmutzig. Sauber. Schmutzig. Weit, nah. Weit, nah. Sauber. Schmutzig. Weit. Sauber. Laut, leise. Dumm, klug. Laut, dumm, möglich, wichtig, gefährlich. Okay, die letzte Runde. Hoch, tief, eng, weit, langweilig. Müde, wach. Okay. Müde, wach. Spannend, langweilig. Schön, hässlich. Müde, spannend, schön, eng, weit, hoch, tief, eng, hoch, weit, nah, sauber, schmutzig, laut, leise, weit, sauber, laut. Okay, falsch oder richtig, if it's the right opposite or not. Okay, wach, spannend. Wach, müde. Ungefährlich, gefährlich. Unwichtig, wichtig. Schmutzig, laut. Nah, weit. Weit, eng. Schlecht, gut. Schwarz, weiß. Wach, müde. Okay, I know from my experience, if you watch this video twice or maybe 3 times, I'm really convinced that you will know these 50 adjectives, roundabout, or 60 adjectives by heart. You will know them. You will know to act with, to use them in your daily speech. Well, if you're interested in this kind of technique to enlarge your vocabulary, I have 2 or 3 more videos regarding adjectives and a lot of more videos where you can enlarge your vocabulary with verbs, nouns, right in this way, or other techniques. But so I will be really pleased if you follow these videos and I wish you good luck. Das war's für heute. Bis zum nächsten Mal oder ihr klickt gleich auf das nächste Video. Ciao, bye bye.